Hello, and welcome to Sean's Test Bench. Today we're going to be assembling the custom RYZEN PC. This is all the hardware that's going into this case. So let's clear off the desk and let's get started assembling this computer. Okay, I think that's it. I think it's just completely assembled. How's she look? Looks pretty good. Okay, let's get a monitor, keyboard, and a power cord, and let's fire this up. Okay, didn't have another monitors laying around, but I did have a TV laying around, so I hung it on the wall. It took me about an hour and a half. Let's go ahead and power this up and make sure everything's working good. There's MSI's logo, and there's the BIOS. Let me go ahead and install Windows 10 on this, and I'll bring it back in. Let's go ahead and power it back up. And there it is. Windows is ready to be set up by the customer. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the camera in close and get some B-roll shots of this build. And then that's a wrap on this one. I went ahead and stressed the CPU. The maximum temperature it got to was 43 degrees Celsius, and that was under a 15-minute full load from CPU-Z's CPU stress. So it will stay cool. It will never overheat. It will never thermal throttle, providing it stays clean. So that's a wrap on this video. So stay tuned. I have 2 workstation computers to build and a server. I'm building a file server because I'm out of storage here in the studio. I'm going to have an off-site file server. Then I have 2 workstation computers to assemble for myself. Thank you for watching Sean's Test Bench.